At STVT's Welding Wars, you've got high school students from across the valley gearing up, sparks flying, and futures being lit up in real time. But behind every torch, there's a team making it all possible. Companies like American Oxygen Company, who donate all the tanks used during the competition, are part of that foundation.
We like to help out STVT because they are a huge stepping stone for our new generation of welders.
And that stepping stone is huge. These students aren't just competing for a title, they're eligible for tuition scholarships and enrollment awards, including full and partial tuition scholarships.
It's amazing. It's amazing to see all these students out here. They show that they want to work, they're willing to go into the field and doing the job that almost nobody wants to do. It's good to see that STVT is giving all these students a chance to succeed in their life.
For Dana Diaz, this is a full circle moment. Once an STVT student learning the basics, now she's here recruiting for Epic.
The great thing about coming to STVT was I got that beginner course. They taught me the basics of everything.
She's not only judging, but she's also helping students see what's waiting for them after graduation.
They told them what we look for out in the field, out in the shops. It gives them some insight on what to work with while being in school and having that opportunity to practice. I really do like to see the kids, the spark in their eye. I was there at one point, and they have so much more opportunities now.
World champion boxer Brandon Figueroa was helping host the event, and if there's anyone that can spot a challenge, it's him. He knows what it takes to push through pressure when the stakes are high.
I see their passion, their hard work. They have their gear ready, their game face ready, so I'm excited to see who will become the champion.
At the end of the day, the Welding Wars is helping students connect, learn, and getting them to step into careers that are already within reach. And it's a big thanks to all the sponsors.
At the end of the day, these kids are going to go home and they're going to remember us forever.
And who knows, the next time this event rolls around, some of these students might not be competing anymore. They might just be the ones coming back, ready to hire. So, are you ready to forge your future? For Take 5, I'm Brandon Rubalcaba.